Good morning. Welcome to TUTOR LOKESH channel. So in this question, in this video, we are going to solve a question based on this finding intermediate rational numbers between two other numbers. And if you see the B problem, the question is minus 8 by 7 and minus 1 by 7. Now the question is minus 8 by 7 and minus 1 by 7. Yeah, let me change the color. Yeah. Now, since we have to find 10 rational numbers between minus 8 by 7 and minus 1 by 7, we may not get the 10 sufficient rational numbers between them. So now what we have to do, we know the process. To find 10 rational numbers, we'll multiply with 11 by 11. So minus 8 by 7 into 11 by 11 and minus 1 by 7 into 11 by 11. So we'll give you minus 88 by 77 and minus 11 by 77. So between minus 88 by 77 and minus 11 by 77, we'll get lot of numbers. That means minus 87 by 77, minus 86 by 77, minus 85 by 77, and so on to minus 10 by 77. Sorry, minus 12 by 77. After minus 12 by 77, we'll get minus 11 by 77, like that. So these are all the 10 rational numbers. Now if you can observe the C question, the C question is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8 divided by 2 and 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 divided by 2. So to find to find 10 rational numbers between these two numbers, we just have to make it as a single fraction. Instead of this calculation, or something which is more than what you call abnormal way. Now see here, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. Solve this fraction which is inside the bracket. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 8. I can write this 1 by 4 as a 2 by 8 plus 3 by 8, and that will become 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 divided by 2. So I can write 5 by 8 into 1 by 2, and that will become 5 by 16, and the overall value of this entire expression is 5 by 16. And similarly, if you solve this 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2, which is inside the bracket, first solve it. 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2, and 3 by 8 plus 1 by 2 can be written as 4 by 8, and 3 by 8 plus 4 by 8 is nothing but 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 divided by 2, and 7 by 8 division can be represented as multiplication when we reciprocate the number. So that will become 7 by 16. And between 5 by 16 and 7 by 16, we get only one rational number, that is 6 by 16. But here we have to find 10 rational numbers. So our procedure, we know that procedure. To find 10 rational numbers, we will multiply with 11 by 11. So that will become 55 by 176. Here it will become 77 by 176. And between these two, we got lot of rational numbers. That is 56 by 176, 57 by 176, 58 by 176, and so on to 76 by 176. That's it. See, it's just a kind of involving the addition of fractions in this problem. So good problem. And to know this problem, you have to know addition of fractions and subtraction of fractions, etc. Right? Thank you.